Let's walk through earning CME credits using Oakstone's ACP MKSAP Audio Companion. Once you've completed a topical section, you're ready to take the quiz associated with it. Passing a quiz is what earns you CME. Now, if you don't think you're ready for the quiz just yet, but want to check your knowledge, you can start by taking a practice quiz. This is a short, low-stakes self-check based on the same topic. Once you complete the practice quiz, you'll be given a score and the ability to review the questions and answers. When you're officially ready to take a quiz and earn CME, click the Take the Quiz button and begin. Each quiz is based on the content you just listened to with board-style questions. Once you've earned 70% or above, you have officially passed and your CME credits will automatically be recorded. To track your progress, head to the Credit Tracker. Here you'll see all your credits earned by calendar year for all Oakstone CME products, not just MKSAP. When you're ready to generate your CME certificate, click the button that says Get CME Certificate. In this screen, you'll specify the date range for the CME course you completed, as well as the program. In this case, you'll select MKSAP Audio Companion and hit Submit. No paperwork, incredibly easy. Don't forget to complete your profile in the My Account section. This will ensure your credits will be submitted to the appropriate governing body if applicable. It is critical that your information matches the information you provided to your board, i.e. name, credentials, etc. And that's it. Listen, learn, and earn on the go. This concludes our MKSAP audio tutorial. Thank you for choosing Oakstone CME.